Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure your iPad is running the latest iPad OS and the on-screen keyboard is visible. Once done, open Notes or Mail and tap a text field so the keyboard appears. If you normally use a physical keyboard, disconnect it or tap the keyboard icon in the dock to force the on-screen keyboard. These steps guarantee you can manipulate the keyboard immediately and avoid delays from background updates or external devices interfering with gestures. Next, transform the full keyboard into a zoomed, floating keyboard by pinching it with 2 fingers, pinched together to shrink. You will see the keyboard condense into a small, movable panel. Drag it with 1 finger to position it where you want it on the screen. This floating keyboard effectively zooms the typing area, making keys larger and closer. Make sure to pinch back outward to restore the full keyboard, or use the keyboard button to redock if you prefer the standard layout. Finally, enable Accessibility Zoom if you need additional magnification. This lets you double tap with 3 fingers to zoom the whole screen. Once enabled, practice the gestures gently. 3-finger drag moves the view, double tap adjusts zoom level. If the floating keyboard misbehaves, close the app and reopen it, or toggle zoom off and on to reset gestures. Make sure to pinch out or use the keyboard icon to restore the full keyboard. This fixes most unresponsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.